Bam Bam will tell us what are our ingredients for today.
Eggs, butter, tomatoes, onions, cheese, mushroom, celery, green onions, salt, and pepper. Let's get started!
Let's beat our eggs. Let's add our cheese to our eggs and mix it nicely. Set this aside. Let's melt our butter. To saute our onions, celery, our green onions or scallions, now let's add our tomatoes, and our mushroom. Let's cover it and let the steam cook the mushroom 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, let's season with salt and pepper. Salt, just a couple of pinches. And pepper, or black pepper. Just mix it nicely. Now everything is cooked, but we don't want it so wet, so let the water evaporate a little bit. And we set this aside. I'm just adding a little mayonnaise and mix it nicely. That's it. Using another pan, let's heat our oil and cook our egg and cheese. Let's spread it nicely. Now let's spread our tomatoes and mushroom, onions on our egg and cheese. Add a little more egg and cheese in here. Just making sure our egg is cooked, and now we can continue. This is it, guys. It's simple and yummy. Thank you for watching, and until next time.